Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to drive instant traffic to any Clickbank offer, any system, program, anything you are promoting out there. I am going to show you the criteria to find the best person to get traffic, which will potentially lead to sales and commissions. And I am also going to remove a lot of misunderstandings and a lot of misconception about this traffic network. So let's dive into this video. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then please smash the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, click the share button and share this video with the people in UK. If you have questions, just leave a comment. It will be appreciated. Now, let's talk about traffic. First of all, there are two types of traffic. One is free traffic and one is paid traffic, okay? Free traffic is when you start using free platforms, okay? So like social media platforms, you're getting free traffic. The problem with free traffic is that you have to put in a lot of time and it's not instant and there's no guarantee of results. And it can take time, and sometimes it can take months and years and still you don't make any money, all right? With paid traffic, you got to get instant traffic, and you can, if you're getting quality traffic with a good offer and good email swipes, you can expect yourself to get instant results. And you're testing out. So basically, you're testing everything and instantly you know what's working and what's not working. That's the good part about paid traffic. The second thing about paid traffic is that you can scale. So if you're on free traffic and you're already making like $5,000 a month, if you want to scale to $10,000 a month or $15,000 or $20,000 a month, it's going to be very challenging and very, very hard because the free traffic source is not in your control. You're there just to do the work. It's up to the social media to send you traffic or not. When it comes to paid traffic, you can scale your traffic. So for instance, if you've been paying to a couple of people to get you traffic and you're making $5,000 and you already have a winning offer, you can scale it to $10,000 or $20,000 by scaling your traffic 5x, okay, or 10x. So it's very easy to scale your traffic and take it to the next level. Now, the traffic source I'm going to talk about is not some kind of like a hidden traffic source like people say. It's a very popular traffic network, but it's a very, very good traffic network. Now, a lot of people did not get results and they believe it's because it's the traffic, it's the network. It's not the network, it's the criteria. There's a criteria that you need to follow when it comes to buying traffic. If you follow this criteria that I'm about to share in this video, you should potentially see sales and results, okay? And if you don't follow this criteria, then I am sorry, not just this traffic network, any other traffic providers you buy traffic from, you're not going to see any kind of results, okay? So let me show you the traffic. First of all, to join this traffic network is absolutely free, okay? So I highly recommend you go to this website address that's popping up on your screen, okay? And you start getting traffic, or you create your free account. It is free to join this traffic network. So here's a link popping up on your screen. Just go to this website address, create your free account. Once you have created your free account, you're going to see a message that comes directly from me, okay? I can review your landing pages, your offer. I could give you the best advice before buying any kind of traffic, okay? And this is free. Normally people charge for this. I'm doing it for free as an appreciation for joining the traffic network and taking action upon my advice. All right. So once you have joined, you can send me a direct message. If you have a landing page, you could share your landing page and tell me what you want and what you're looking for. I can give you the best advice and tell you what you need to do to change your landing pages and make a couple of edits to it. All right. Now I'm going to show you the criteria to buy the best traffic on this platform. If you follow the criteria, you can see results potentially. All right. But if you don't follow the criteria and you're just going to act like normally people act, as a beginner, like desperate. Like I can remember when I got to this traffic network the first time, I was desperate, okay? I'm desperate to make money, I'm desperate to make affiliate commissions, I'm desperate to see results, okay? After a long time of struggle. So what do? We just come here, click on one person, see how much traffic, and we just buy traffic. If you're going to do it like that this way, you're not going to see any results. So you don't want to be desperate, you want to follow the criteria, and you want to take some time out, okay? It doesn't matter if it takes 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours to find the right person. Just take your time out, okay? And if you do that and you do your intelligence research before buying traffic, Trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love this traffic network. You're going to see some good results. You're going to get some good quality subscribers, and potentially you're going to start seeing sales and commissions. All right. It's that simple. So let's dive into this video. So first of all, here's the traffic network. I'm just going to come here and I'm going to click on buy solo ads. Now here's a criteria. All right. You can see this. Okay. This is the criteria. I want you to take a picture of this criteria. All right. And this is what the settings that I want you to have in your account as well. So visitor 300. Got sales, minimum 30%, maximum price $2, repeated orders 25 plus, last seen, okay, I don't want last seen, let's do only online, okay? In fact, let's just do anytime because only one person is coming up for some reason, okay? Niche is going to be marketing, top tier country traffic, sort by sales, okay? This is the filter you want to do. Then you want to start doing your research, okay? Now, if you're a beginner, this is a beginner's friendly tutorial. So the method I am teaching you is for beginners. If you're an advanced marketer, it will be a bit different in your case. In your case, you could do simultaneously by traffic from a couple of people at the same time. All right. So let's just look into this person. So I can see he was seen 20 hours ago. I can see he's got 47 buyer percentage, 40 cents per click. Not bad. Let's just click on him and let's see where he's from. He's from, I don't know this country, so let's just forget about that. Okay, 47 buy percent, very, very good. The higher this number, the more chances for you to make a sale. All right. Now it's quite surprising that this is not available for some reason when it's supposed to be. I don't know why it's not available, but I would look for anything above 25% in this. That means repeated customers. Now you could add this person as a friend. You could send him a message. You could ask him a couple of questions. You could send him the offer that you're promoting. Ask him, has anyone promoted the same offer in the last 3 weeks? If he says yes, switch your offer because that means no one's going to buy your product. Okay. So then you want to come down. And then you could have this bar. This is the bar. You just want to like scroll it through and see what you could buy. You want to buy at least 300 clicks. Okay. Now let me explain how I do it. This is, like I said, this is for beginners. If you're advanced, then you could do 5-6 orders at the same time with different people. But if you're a beginner, you want to start off with one person. So 300 clicks. You want to select only top tier. You want to select prime filter. Okay, and in here you're gonna put your landing page URL. Okay, landing page will look something like this. Let me show you what a landing page looks like. This is what you call a landing page. Okay, it's a small squeeze page with a text on it telling people what to expect when they click here and enter their email address down here. All right, now make sure whatever you mention down here is congruent with the offer to get better results and better conversions. All right, so 300 clicks, you're gonna purchase traffic. 300 clicks. Now, if you made one sale, only one sale, even though you're not in profit, even though you didn't break through, you just made one sale, that just proves that this person's got very good traffic. So I'm going to come back to the same person, and this time I'm going to buy 500 clicks. If I made one sale, then I'm going to buy 750 clicks. If I made sale again, then I'm going to buy 1,000 clicks. And then if I made sale again, then I'm going to continue to buy 1,000 clicks. I will not go above 1,000 clicks to 2,000 and 3,000 clicks. That you can see here is available, but I will not do that. I will just stick to 1,000 clicks and keep on buying 1,000 clicks until I am making at least one sale. All right. Now you might be asking, hey, I'm losing money. What are you talking about? Making one sale? I'm not in profit. I'm not even breaking through. Are you telling me to buy traffic? Here's why I'm telling you to do this. Don't worry. Don't worry. Your focus is list building. Building a list of subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers. That's the focus. You're going to eventually make all that money back. You're going to make a lot of money, hopefully, okay? Don't worry. You're just promoting one offer. That's the reason you probably only got one sale. And most of the time, a person does not purchase a product instantly by looking at it. You need to show him that offer over and over again, okay? That's the whole thing. So don't worry. You're building a list of subscribers, and as your list starts to grow, potentially your sales and your income should grow as well. So you're going to be promoting different offers to these people. So eventually you're going to make all that money back. The only reason I'm saying that one sale is because we want to stay on the safe side, okay? We just want to make sure that the person's got very, very good traffic and responsive traffic. Alright, now what happens if you didn't make a sale? Now if you didn't make a sale, that doesn't mean you wasted money. Remember, you're building a list, so you've got a list of subscribers. If you didn't make money, that could be different reasons. It could be the offer, it could be your email swipes, or it could be the person's traffic, okay? So first of all, you need to go into your email swipes and check your open rate, click-through rate. Are you getting any kind of opens, any kind of click-through rate? If you are, that means the traffic is very good, it's responsive, it's probably your offer. And another one more thing that you need to understand is that you always track your sales after the email follow-ups have been completed. So if you got 7 days of email follow-ups in your system, in your autoresponder, that's going out to your subscribers for a specific offer, you want to make sure those 7 days are over before deciding whether this traffic provider was good or not. A lot of people believe they should make an instant sale as soon as someone visits its landing page, enters the email and sees the offer. No, it doesn't work like that. Most people will not buy instantly. They need to see the offer over and over again. Okay, so make sure you remember that. So that's number one. Okay, now if you didn't make a sale, that doesn't mean his traffic is not good. What I would do is, if I didn't make a sale with 300 clicks, then I will look for another solo ad provider and test another person. Alright, that's what I will do, because I'm looking for that winner guy that could provide me at least with one sale, giving me that hope that your traffic is very, very good and responsive, and I have proof of it. Alright, that's what it is. Just because you didn't make a sale does not mean this person's traffic is not good. It will all depend in the future when you start promoting different offers and you see if you make a sale or not. But you're not going to give up. That's the biggest mistake what people do. They give up straight away. They give this doesn't work, this is this, and they give up. And then I wonder 99% people fail online because they give up too quickly. Alright, this is a business. Treat it like a business. Become strong. Build confidence, build self-esteem. Persistent is the key to success. Visualize what you want. Get emotionally involved in it and follow the steps and the path to get to that point where you want your life dream to come true. If you do that, you're going to start seeing results. You're going to start seeing money coming to your bank account potentially. Alright, so this is how it works. So I'm going to find another person until I find a winner where I can generate at least one sale from every 300 clicks, so I know I'm staying on the safe side. Right, now here's the most important part that I'm about to share with you. This is the criteria that I would look for when buying traffic from anyone. Let's scroll down and let me show you. Okay, check this out. Can you see this? Got sales. I am looking for this from 5 different people in the last 30 days. That's it. That's my criteria. If I don't see this, I'm going to continue to do my research. If I got this, fine. Now, in this case, I could see this guy's got sale came in 20 Feb 2019. Oh my word. 7 years ago. 7 years ago. I'm not going to buy traffic from this person. I want to see this got sale from minimum 5 different people in the last 30 days. From the date I am buying traffic. So this is 2026. Okay? This is 2026. And the got sale notification is 2019. I'm not going to buy traffic from this person. This is the most important criteria. If you don't follow this criteria, I am sorry. Okay? You can't blame the traffic network. You can't blame the person who's referred you to the traffic network, and you can't blame other people. You need to take some time out, come out from that desperation. Alright, take some time out. Doesn't matter if it takes 2-3 hours. Trust me, it's going to be worth your time. Take some time out to find the perfect person, the right person. Be patient, okay? Send him a message with your offer asking him, do you think my offer will convert with your traffic? Send him your landing page URL. Ask him, do you think I can get at least a 30% opt-in rate with this landing page? These people are here to help. They're not just here to take your money, they're here to help. So what you want to do is ask him these couple of questions: where the traffic's coming up, how fresh it is, okay? And then, do you think I can get a minimum 30% opt-in rate? Do you think this offer will convert? If he says no, do you have any suggestion on what offer will be the best for me to add to my landing page that will convert with your traffic from Clickbank or any network? He'll give you the best suggestion. Start doing that. Start taking your time out. And the criteria that I have shared, the higher this number, anything above 20% is good, but the higher this number, the better. I would normally go for 50% plus, because that gives me a very good chance of making money. That just shows that he's got very good traffic, and this for 25% plus. And then scrolling down, I'm looking for this notification, got sales. That's how simple it is. All right. So don't reinvent the wheel. It's simple. Keep it simple. If you come to this traffic network and you buy traffic and you follow the criteria that I've shared with you, and with a never giving up attitude, okay, that's the most important part. You buy once and then you expect to become rich. It doesn't work like that, my friend. You need to be persistent. You need to learn how to take that risk and break through that barrier, okay? And once you do that, you're going to start seeing some very, very good things happening in your life. All right. So this is the criteria. Follow this criteria and you should see results potentially. If you still haven't joined this traffic network, it's free to create your account. Just go to this website, address that's popping up on the website, on the video. Open up a new browser, create your free account, and then you can, if you already have a landing page, just send me a message with your landing page and I can review it. I can give you the best suggestion. I could give you the best advice. I'm here to help you and I want to see you succeed online. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.